Hello and welcome to Microsoft Expert Zone's AI Academy. AI Academy is an introduction to the world of AI functionality, technology and Microsoft products in this space. These videos will guide you on Microsoft's journey with AI and how it can elevate your productivity and enhance your creativity. In total, the AI Academy will be a series of 12 videos that we'll be releasing over the next 6 weeks. And if you're joining this series as it airs, we will see you every Wednesday and every Sunday. But if you're a bit late to the party, that's okay too. When the AI Academy series is complete, they will still live right here on our YouTube channel, and we'll even put all 12 videos in a handy playlist for you to access and view at your own leisure and pace. Whether you're a complete beginner or you've been using AI for a while, we're sure that there will be something exciting for you to learn in these videos. Throughout the series, we'll be covering what AI is, Microsoft's commitment to a responsible AI, the science behind a prompt, different AI use cases, and the many apps across Windows 11, Microsoft 365 that you can use AI in, like Copilot, Microsoft Designer, or Clipchamp. The AI journey is moving quickly, and every day I am amazed by what it can help me achieve. And then I'm even more amazed when I see how other people are using these tools in ways that I've never even thought of. So come with us on this AI journey of discovery. The next video in this AI Academy series will explain more about what generative AI is. So we'll see you there.